Hello, everybody. It's time for some good vibes with good times. Well, I'm Pooja Talwar, the executive editor, lifestyle and entertainment, and I'm all set to welcome my guest who has a connection with good times. She's beautiful, not broken. Yes, it's none other than Harleen Sethi. Hi, Harleen. How are you?
Hi, I am very well. How are you?
I'm very well. And as I told everybody, that you have a good times connection.
Yes, that is true. So I'm always very, very excited to have any kind of association with good times. It will always be closest to my heart because that's where I really started my career. It was behind the camera and it was with good times.
And everybody in good times feels very proud when they see you. So it's a mutual admiration society. So how's it going?
How have you been?
I've been okay, and thanks to these lives, there's some sanity in my life. Otherwise, I would have gone cuckoo.
But I was thinking it must be really hectic for you because I keep seeing your schedules and it's, you're going back to back lives with everyone. I mean,
it's crazy.
Are you able to enjoy this time, back with your family or no?
It's worse than working on a regularly the way we work. It's terrible because you're just planning for the next day. It's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I was wondering because I have a couple of my friends and cousins who are also working from home and they're saying the same thing, that it's even more hectic, working from home.
Totally. It's crazy. A lot of love is coming for you. A lot of love and hearts are coming for you from people.
Hi guys. Hello everyone. Thank you again for joining us, me and Pooja. And Pooja, I'm very, very happy to be doing this chat with you.
So, Harleen, everybody's been asking me about you as Sameera. Broken. It's now, was it tough to say goodbye to a character which is obviously you and Vikrant both seem to have loved playing Veer and Sameera?
Yeah, I think it was one of those characters that gave both of us a lot. The kind of love, the appreciation and the acceptance that we got from the audience was overwhelming. I think one of the days me and Vikrant were sitting and discussing, and in fact he was also saying that, he's got love for Criminal Justice and Mirzapur, but the love that he's got for Broken is, is unfathomable.
So somebody's also, a lot of people have written, love your show, Broken but beautiful, love you as Sameera. They also want to know when will it be back, season 3.
Okay, so I think everyone, now that Ekta Kapoor ji has announced it, that season 3 is not going to have me and Vikrant in it. It's going to have a new cast. So I guess you'll see me doing other roles and I hope you accept and love me the same way.
So, but Harleen, what was the reason that made you say yes to, this playing Sameera? I was talking to Vikrant, that said it reminded me of Sally Rooney's book, Normal People. They want to be together, but they keep going back, coming back, different people. It's that kind of a love, It's there, but it's also not there. So what made you say yes to?
It's so funny actually. In this lockdown, I ended up reading Sally Rooney's Normal People. And I also heard that they've made a series called Normal People.
It's on as of now.
Did you see it?
No, I haven't seen it. I don't want to ruin the book.
Yeah, but I heard from all the reactions that from all the reviews, I heard that the series is as good as the book, which is amazing. Yeah.
So did you enjoy Normal People?
I actually really enjoyed Normal People, but yeah, it felt like a story which was very, was like my own in terms of Veer Sameera. It felt good, it felt familiar. But I think a lot of relationships in today's times are like that. There's just, there are always too many options. You're always focusing more on your career. So those things keep coming in the way of having a pure, unconditional relationship with somebody, And that is Normal People in today's times, I feel.
Yeah, true. So what made you say yes to playing Sameera?
I think it was a no-brainer. I mean, when I read the first episode, I was blown. I was like, who's the writer? I called up the producers and I said, who's the writer? I really want to call her up because I think the beauty of Broken but Beautiful is in its writing. It's about how the characters are written. It's about the relationships. I think I think content is king, these days. It's all in the writing. So I think it was a no-brainer also with, great like Vikrant Massey being as a co-actor and Ekta Kapoor ji producing it, and such brilliant songs. I mean, कौन ना बोलेगा?
सही में. So किसी ने ये मुझसे सवाल किया कि आपसे मैं पूछूं What is the one thing that you've taken of Sameera with you and one thing that you've left behind?
You know, this is something that I was discussing the other day with the writer, that I feel like I've genuinely become a much more empathetic person than I was before I played Sameera. Because, to get Sameera and roles like Sameera was really hard for me, because I've been an advertising face, which was very, which could sell products, but wasn't as vulnerable. And this character required me to be extremely vulnerable. And that vulnerability couldn't be a put on. It had to come from within. It had to show in the eyes. So I actually took a lot more to spirituality to kind of become vulnerable from within, and which in turn made me empathetic. This was a reflection that I had actually during the lockdown. I said, what have I taken, from it? So I think this is a very special quality, I think, that this character has given me, apart from all the acceptance and the love from people. And what I'm leaving back is, I think, the fact that what Sameera also learns in the show is that, not one, like, you should never give your core out to anybody else's. Your core should be within you. You should love yourself first, and that is more important. And it's never the end of the world if anyone leaves. It in fact is a lot more growth in your life. I mean, but you can't see it at that time.
Which is very true. And also, you act, you sing, you dance. Is there something that you can't do?
You won't believe, I just wrote a poem last night, and I was just recording it. So hopefully you will see one of my poems in the coming days.
He writes poetry too. Chalo. ऐसा क्या है जो नहीं कर सकते हो आप?
आप जो कर रहे हो इतने कमाल तरीके से मैं नहीं कर सकती.
अरे नहीं यार. Anyway, thank you. Makes me feel good. So, and your song has done so well. Started with Lamborghini and all those lovely numbers. So, I mean, what is singing a passion? It's like, what do you love more, acting or singing?
I feel like I just enjoy everything which allows me to be in the moment. And I think it's all artistic forms. I think it can be acting, it can be singing, it can be dancing. It just allows you to be free in that moment, free of psychological time, of past and future, and it just allows you to be there. So I think that is something that I genuinely really enjoy.
So who do you want to collaborate with? Singing?
Singing, oh, I have a long list of people, but right now, the thing is, I'm not a trained singer at the moment. I mean, this song
Those
just
are the
happened.
Best, actually.
Huh?
Those are the best. The ones who are not trained are the best.
I don't know if I'd agree with that, because for singing and, these art forms, the more trained you are, I mean, it's just a lot better. Your voice can, reach so many different octaves, and it's just beautiful. So I really want to. In fact, right before the lockdown, I had started my classical training classes and I was really enjoying it. And then I had to stop it. So I'm waiting when, the lockdown gets done so I can resume my singing classes. But I am dying to sing, and, music is just something that I really enjoy.
So, I mean, did you expect that Lamborghini became such a rage? It's like taken off from the typical Punjabi songs that we hear in the weddings, Did you expect it would become such a rage that it did?
No, I don't think when you're doing something, you are expecting it to become big or, do well or not do well. I think what you're really thinking about at that time is, like I said, just being in the moment and enjoying it to the fullest, with the right intention, with the right attention, with the right involvement. So I think that's what me and Melvin were really enjoying, and it just, by God's grace, it became what it did.
And Teri Ho Gaiyan is like, it's a chart buster.
Yeah, I mean, not my version, but Vishal Mishra, the singer and the composer of the song, he sung it so beautifully. I don't know, have you heard it, the song?
I have.
Do you like it?
Teri Ho Gaiyan, best song of yours.
Yeah, I mean, it's such a beautiful song with such beautiful lyrics. I think this time Broken had, I think both seasons, Broken had such beautiful songs. I think it's still one of my most favorite albums.
So how are you spending time during this lockdown? Because of people, like creative people, it can be also productive, but also actors, people are making lockdown videos at home. But what about you? What are you doing? How are you keeping yourself busy and sane?
like I said, I really enjoy being where I am. So I'm not complaining. I really enjoy, I live with my family. So, we're having a great time. I mean, my mom's cooking these amazing dishes because, like, we are not ordering from outside. So she's making everything from your dosas to pizzas to Thai food to Chinese, everything. So we're literally enjoying a lot of food, putting on those extra kilos. We all get together and we do the house chores together. So, झाड़ू कटका बर्तन एक जन ने कर लिए, कपड़े किसी ने कर लिए, फर्नीचर किसी ने कर लिया. Then we sit together, we maybe, Netflix sometimes. We watch a lot of documentaries. We really enjoy watching a lot of documentaries. Some really inspirational ones. The last one I watched was this documentary called I Am Maris.
Okay.
I Am Maris is a documentary about a girl who, when she was growing up, was going through anorexia and a lot of mental health issues, and how yoga actually helped her heal. And yeah. Then I watched this one called Bethany Hamilton, which is a woman who's a surfer, and at the age of 14, when she was surfing, a shark actually took away one of her hands.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah, and she still continued surfing, and she still was #1 in the world, for a couple of years. So I mean, such inspiring stories. Wow. There's another one called The Dawn Wall, which is about two free climbers. So we just sit together. We really enjoy watching inspirational stories or just real life stuff, So we really enjoy documentaries.
So, I mean, other than the poem you've written, have you composed a song or recorded something interesting?
No, not yet. I'm genuinely just enjoying time with my family. There's this game called Chekolo, which me and my dad play every single day. And literally, I wake up with the fact that, oh my God, I hope he doesn't get my moves today and I hope I can beat him, So it's this really interesting competition between me and him. It's a logic and creative game like Sudoku, so it's interesting.
Wow. And other than that, once the lockdown is over, what are the projects that you've been working at the moment? Everything is on a standstill. But with the fans and all, I can see so much of love for Broken, and they want to see you more.
Yeah, I mean, I'm already in talks for another series, which I hope, works out. And I don't know really when we are going to get down to shooting it and stuff. So yeah, there's another film that was going to happen early this year. But again, that's pushed, and it's pushed endlessly. So no clue at the moment what's going to happen really.
But I like the fact that you're so chilled. Jo bhi hoga, hoga. Wish we could all take that from you. Itna anxiety sabko ho raha hai yahan par.
मैंने इसीलिए exactly on this I've actually written a poem. It's called Just Be. I wish it was already out and I could read it to you, but I'm just going to wait it out. Once it's out, then maybe you can get back to me. You can tell me if it really helps you or if it resonated with you. But it's something that came to me last night because I couldn't sleep. Because a lot of times you're not very tired, Like sometimes there are some days where you're just chilling, hanging at home, and you're not tired in the night. So your mind is sometimes active. So in the night, it just came to me because I really wanted to write something about, what people must be going through. Yes, we all know about, the not so privileged ones and, the migrant workers and, we keep reading those stuff. We do, and all of us should lend a helping hand. But all the privileged ones and all the blessed ones who are sitting at home, even they keep complaining that they're getting anxiety issues, when this lockdown going to end, when are the restaurants going to start, this, that, But sometimes you just need to be, this is a time where God has given you that time that there's no FOMO anymore. There is no fear of missing out. You can just be, you can just really be in the moment, So I've written something about that. Let's see, आप बताओ कैसा लगे?
I'm sure it's going to be fabulous. अभी किसी ने लिखा, I want to see you dancing more. अब इस सवाल का जवाब दे दो.
I really want to dance more. I really am missing dancing a lot. I keep requesting my brother. I keep telling him कि चल कुछ करते हैं साथ में because I don't really want to do it alone. So I'm like चलो let's do something together. But he's just enjoying his house party app and playing Ludo, and he's pretty happy with his friends. So let's
Are you
see.
also social media savvy? I mean, also, do you have a favorite app? Are you also glued to your phone, or are you the ones who rations the screen time?
No, I don't. I really go with whatever I feel organically. But no, I'm not very tech savvy, or I don't like to be much on the phone. I There are no favorite apps as such. I mean, there was this app called Fastic which I was really using, which
Okay.
is which is an app which keeps a track about your intermittent fasting,
Okay. So,
yeah,
do you
stuff
do
like that.
intermittent fasting? Do you do
I
that?
was before the lockdown, but now I am just eating.
बहुत मुश्किल है यार अभी करना इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. रात को 12 बजे फ्रिज बुलाता है सबको.
है ना?
हाँ, बहुत मुश्किल है. अभी
So
किसी ने ये पूछा आपका फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन क्या है ट्रैवल करने के लिए?
I want to really travel all over the world, but my last favorite destination where I really enjoyed, I had a blast, was Spain. And it's really sad to see the state right now in that country, but what a place. You know, Mallorca, Barcelona, Granada, amazing. It's beautiful. It's a mix of great culture, beautiful mountains, ocean, amazing.
True. So, what is the one thing that first thing you'll do once the lockdown is over?
What's the first thing that I'll do?
Yeah, once the lockdown is over and you're free.
I think I'll go to the Gurdwara.
Oh yeah.
And after that, I will go to a cafe and I will order a cold coffee and I will just sit and I will enjoy the sunset.
Well, that sounds like a plan, yeah. Gurdwara में गरम गरम कड़ा प्रसाद.
हाँ, कड़ा प्रसाद and then sunset देख के cold coffee पी के then I think I'll go for a long drive with good music.
Lamborghini गाते गाते. वैसे बहुत लोग
Lamborghini
रिक्वेस्ट
गाते
कर रहे हैं अगर आप कुछ गा सकते हो हमारे लिए, बहुत रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
It's amazing. I love you guys. Guys, मैंने एक गाना गाया है काफी ठीक ठाक, पर आप मुझे इतना प्यार देते हो गाने के लिए. क्या गाऊं?
जो भी
They'll
गा
ask
दो,
me to sing
बहुत
तेरी हो गई again. हाँ?
ठीक. कोई भी, your wish, your call.
Okay, you tell me ना. You tell me one of your favorites. Let's try and sing that.
Lamborghini, the Punjabi.
Lamborghini is your favorite? Oh yeah?
Punjaban, yeah, what to do?
Okay, so then you join me.
मैं नहीं गा सकती, आप गाओ, मैं सुनूंगी.
I didn't know you were a Punjaban. You're a Sardarni or a Punjaban?
No, पंजाबी. तलवार ना. अभी कितने मिलेंगे तलवार?
You speak better Punjabi than me though.
Oh yeah, thanks to dadis and nannies, God bless their soul. That's how I picked up. Otherwise, no one
Okay.
speaks Punjabi around me.
No? Okay, so let's sing Lamborghini. Lamborghini चलाई जाने ओ, Lamborghini चलाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ. मॉडल टाउन विच मारे गेड़ी, मॉडल टाउन विच मारे गेड़ी, सानू भी झूठा दे दो, किथे कल्ले कल्ले जाई जाने ओ.
Awesome. Where do you like to मारो a गेड़ी at, yeah?
I love the Mumbai Pune highway.
Oh.
So that's where I'm talking about the long drive. Now that's where I want to go. Oh my god, can't wait.
I was introduced to Gedis in Chandigarh. I didn't even know something called a Gedi existed. So for Chandigarh, mein sector 17 too, their college
हाँ.
Gedi.
But Chandigarh is
where
so pretty and so beautiful for long drives, huh?
I know. But anyways, आजकल तो ट्रैफिक कम है. होए आपको भी अच्छी गेड़ी मारने का रूट मिल जाए अपना. Thank you so much. Lovely speaking to you, yeah, and hope to meet you in person soon.
I hope so too. Thank you so much for making my day, and yeah,
Come
hope
on.
to see you soon.
And lots of love from Team Good Times. They were very happy to see that you were the guest. Bye.
Lots of love to everybody at Good Times. Everybody.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for joining us. Thanks, Pooja.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Ali. Bye.
Bye.